Welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tie a skirt wrapper. It's called Iro in Nigeria. It's an African wrapper mostly tied by Yoruba women. Let's tie this. To tie this, you have your wrapper. It should be like 2.5 yards or 2 yards depending on your size. So you're making sure you have a tie at the end of the wrapper, and you're going to hold your wrapper like this. One side should be longer than the other. You start adjusting the upper side of the wrapper as you can see me do. Then the smaller part, you're going to tie it in with the rope you have tied on the wrapper, and you're going to adjust the other side as you can see me adjusting it that way to make sure the hem is equal. So you're going to tie it over to the back like this and secure it properly. Make sure you adjust it and secure it properly the way it will be comfortable on you, because you're going to be wearing this for a long time. So you make sure it is comfortable on you but it is fitted on you at the same time. You go ahead and tie the wrap like this. You also tuck in the wrap, tuck it in like this, and adjust this properly to make sure you're comfortable, because this is usually worn most times throughout the day. So make it comfortable as you want it to be, and you tuck it out. You see how I've tucked this out, making sure I'm comfortable. As it is like this, you are good to go. It's very simple, and it's very comfortable, and it's classy. If you have a rich fabric, this would look so gorgeous on you, and this will not take any time to make this. If you want the tutorial on how to make this, I have it on my channel. I'll drop it in the description section. If this is your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell icon, and give me a thumbs up, a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.